Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warieka LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warieka LTV. Keep it locked.
No, I'm gonna tell you. We, us as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? You see? Set the path for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this shit. Yes, sir. Greetings once again in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I I, and all things that's good. Seeing? Want to welcome all viewers and subscribers. Seeing? And want to say viewers, share, like, and subscribe. And see it and help grow the thing if you like it. Seeing? Become yourself while a dog. I shout it from where there for make you know say me have to clear out my memories and things like that. So the bit of information where you give me up with Dave that you don't see it, but I saw the thing say. Yeah, cause you don't know we do anything for small business and things like that, you know. You see that we promote them small black business, we promote them and try do best what we can. You know see it, so our interest, same way. It's not a favor for nobody. It's a favor to ourselves more than anything else. Seeing? I wonder what I go on with Koffee. Rasta, the little singer girl. I don't know what I go on with that. You see, I don't know if some people just use her as a money machine at the moment. You see, but you know, it's like the energy, the energy kind of shelly. You see it, and everybody will laugh and gallant and happy about the process. You know, them just in it for the money. To be fair, cause I don't know what to support her, if I can support her, how I can support her, or what, because I don't know who she is. To be fair. You see it? Because I look and see a little girl that sing some song like cultural song. The appearance look cultural, Rasta-ish, look foundation type of appearance and thing like that. You know, see it? And I don't really see anything else apart from just the appearance. You know, see it, and the connection, the association with certain people where, you know, say them is off the persuasion. You know, see it, like Chronics, Cocotti, them man there, and fan, where them, I don't remember what them name, you know. Amber Rose or whoever them want name and them. I say, you know, I don't know what them do with, because I see them sell her like say it's a little Rasta protege, you know. See, near protege are the other one me talk. Them sell her like she's a Rasta protege. So she approach the scene like she's a Rasta protege. A whole heap of shadiness and a whole heap of question has been asked of her character. You know, see, of her intent, who she is and things like that. And she has never offered any form of clarity as to what the character is about, what's her intent. You know what I say? She has always remained quiet, even in the face of a whole heap of allegation that's not even certain allegation where you definitely to a degree you don't want to associate yourself with or be looked at certain way if you say you're part of the Rasta tradition, Rasta foundation certain way, you see. So when certain argument come up and I see no self-defense or no farmer, you know what I say? Yeah. It leave a whole heap cause nothing change. And the question them relevant. You see, whether she's gay or not, type of thing. You see, it's a question where anybody with our private business, say it then. Say it's a private affair and nobody, make people know what to think and how to think. We come like when you just ride the back of this thing here. Some fake farm and a milk the whole thing, and then later on now people here hear some disgraceful traits about to know and all them because we're there. And then the whole Rasta end up with that for deal with, the backlash for deal with, the whole culture, the whole fragile faith, already fragile faith. It's not fragile, but me talk in terms of people's adaptation towards the whole thing, because there's not so much seduction and charm for benefit nobody. See, the attraction is fragile. Yeah, it's wealthy and strong for those very few. But you know what I say? Certain other people are come with them, thing and a taint. The struggle. It's already a struggle. And whole heap of people are trying to seek and look all sort of way of invalidate it and disrespect the whole community, because everybody do it every day from every corner of life. You see it, when anybody want to challenge anything that is right or what them claims or what is right, Rasta is the embodiment of the closest thing to righteousness. I'm sure Islam is going to say the same thing. The church is going to say the same thing. Christianity is going to say the same thing. See? I am going to say, and I is saying, Rasta is the closest thing to the embodiment of righteousness. You see? So, a whole heap of challenge out there, a whole heap of people out there try disprove it. You see? A whole heap of people out there try to prove a Rasta wrong. As soon as a Rasta man make a wrong move or make a mistake, you see, the only man on the face of the earth where everybody expect perfection from. See, even the pastor can cuss bad word and say, I dopey him see. And that's acceptable. Him going back to church, can preach a man, and him just say, I dopey him see, I walk past. Yeah, him legal for cuss bad at them time. You see. So, we have to show a certain level of concern. It's within us where we have to ask, who is Koffee? What's Koffee agenda? We don't mind you have your ear on your head and thing like that, but the way how you come up and the people where you come up with, everybody expect a certain level from you. You see it. And really and truly, we now see that level there. We now see that gravitate to the culture or the nature of the people where you come up with and come up around. Seeing the people where you copy them money, the people where you copy them characteristics and everything like that. You see it. We now see, indicating in any way, shape, or form like he's like-minded to them people. So it even begs the question now if he's a bandwagonist and thing like that. We just jump on the bandwagon with your ear, with a different more, you have your own motive and personal agenda. You see, no, you're in your claim to, no, you're in your heights, your limelight, and your fame and thing like that. You can declare yourself who you is. Because if you're gay, you have billions of people out there ready for you accept you more than one Rasta out there. You see it, so it even benefit and enable your greed and your market, your selling power and things like that as well, even more. You see it. You see it, but really and truly, we don't see you showing an indication like you have no intent to really expound or establish the faith certain way. I see you posting a brief the other day, yeah. Because I'm not baggy that. A brief that. You know, see you posting a brief for Calvin Klein the other day, yeah, and with your muscle them and all them things, I don't know where you do that for. See? But you do it anyway, you know, see. You know, really tools them things are conducive with certain principle. It might be acceptable to Chronics and Protege them and them man there and them type of people there. You don't know, you know, see, but we don't really think it's entirely acceptable to the culture and the community, given the fact so well then. He's a young lady, up and coming star, you have food on your table, you have prospects and potential and things like that. It's not like you need to go strip yourself naked in front of the world in order to get an extra bread. You see it, given the facts well then the facade, the moniker, the whole thing with where you come from is not a representation of them mentality there and them. It's not acceptable. You see it, even just out of mere respect for man like Chronic's type of character and or him carry himself. I mean, certain things are necessary. You see it, so me can't see you under certain guidance or under certain principle where your development is being based upon the foundation, the culture, Rastafari and all them things there. You see it? I just be like a shadiness surrounding you. We don't want to see you with a boyfriend and say you have a man for proof to the world. You can talk up anybody and say, but I see you with more girl, I pose with more girl in an affectionate way type of thing than I see you pose with any man. You know, see it? And you dress more gay than straight. I know straight girl will just seem like you and love them flavor just in there, but I'm mostly gay girl just like that. We don't say if you come out and declare yourself as being gay or straight, but still, stay in your lane. You see it? Stay in your lane, little girl. Regardless of the lane, you see the fork in the road, still the fork still in the road in front of you, you know, as always. You see it? You have to choose your road, so that's choose your side, so that's those who is prepared to support your cause, ready for fight in your corner. You see it? Right now, you move like an enigma, everybody confused, nobody knows as a public figure, nobody really know who you is. You see it? You move like a mystery in regards to who you are being a model to, who you are inspired, who you what kind of why your aim, why your agenda. Your agenda is a mystery at this point. You see, because you sang them not too strong for say yeah, it point in any particular direction. You sang them more would that be a universal type of approach. You see, to whatever you address. You see it. It's not culturally aligned or of any particular persuasion. Like me I say, anybody and everybody can relate to your song. So we can. Nothing that's not a bad thing. You see it, but it's not something where I say anything much to I and I either. You see it. We have business where you want to be, you know. You see it. So if you no business neither, declare yourself. Show some character as to who you are, man. You move like a little quiet snake. And we know you're bigger and older than that. You wear the braces that too long, it could have turned in a go back down in a child. Because I don't know people are doing a braces for so much years. Or what kind of, what them a correct man for them teeth. That fake. You see, Koffee? Fake braces that are necessary accessory. You see? We are like a girl with natty pan already, the power of holy parastaman and thing like that. And I go through like a cultural roots data. You see, with an unnecessary piece of accessory in our mouth I walk up and down with. You see the relevance of that. So it a show fakeism and a sort of a put on, you know, for the public. You see, it's not really acceptable amongst us. So all of them could think they again is a kind of vanity type of mentality where not too acceptable. You know the thing, you know, see it, and the man them they around me, I wonder where the man them a deal with, where them a depend, where them a expect a few. You know, see it. What sort of expectation them have a few, what sort of promise them seeing of you when them a put out them effort and a promote you like you're a Rasta to the public, when you present you to the public like you're a Rasta girl and like you're a cultural little daughter and all them thing there. You know, see it. Where them did a teach you say come like a money grabbing cockatoo, Chronic's protege and the whole of them dep and Rasta. You know, see it. Like a some fanboy, smiley, dreaded boy thing where you can talk any words and make it sound powerful and look good in the eyes of the people. But when you're done, you go around the corner, go do some little bouting, some little joke, nasty thing. You see it? Because if it can't show in the people them want to have and down the charge, if the people them want to have and down the charge is a reflection of uno character, same way again in a Rasta. You see it? So look like the man them are money motivated. They don't for declare yourself because again like I said nothing wrong with that. But the thing you have poor people out here depend on for direction and motivation and things like that, and you don't have that figure, but you still a swing under the banner there and a collect benefit from that expectation and exploit poor people same way Rasta. You know, just like the politician, you know, just any ordinary devil. If I that on no aim, if I that on no charge, you see it. Yeah, man, we not sanction them thing the Rasta. Some people fi declare themselves and stop walking with the banner under the banner Rastafari, red, gold and green. And no mean nothing, just a scrape money and a collect. And I believe be a fornication and nastiness. You know see it? And then the rest of the world I watch them. And them little idea, them little attitude water down the whole expectation and principle, because the expectation of people have of Rasta is far different from what I see some people. It's particularly Koffee, a portray. You see it? And she young, yes, but she among some man where act militant and go on like them. Yeah. So we should have gauge her up and culture her up the right way. You see it? If she is not receptible of the whole culture, then we all know who she is. The man can't know so well then she's whatever, you know a particular expectation. Because you know so she's just another dreaded girl. I go down the road and I sing to tune. You know see it? But the man them amongst her act purport to be powerful enough for them could have guide her up. I have a stronger expectation than that from a man like Koffee. And even Chronics, as much as I don't know him other than the song them where him sing. You know Koffee I used to have struggle long time. You know the thing. You see it? Him been through the struggles and the trial. Him know him there, we do him there, dirty with enough man. You know see it? No say, yeah, Coco that. You know see it? So we know them man, they know the thing enough. And if them never know it enough, them know them have direction where them could have point her in. You can't go latch her around to some people, we are going to teach her the whole thing. You see it? She no hard, she no tough, she no go on that way they like Queen Africa. Queen Africa go on like more tomboy than she, but still you know what Queen Africa do with us, you know, so like a private yeah, like, you see it? Me know a little girl, but me I say still. She young enough for indicate certain way. But she not old enough for know say the world I look for a particular direction, a particular whichever way you go, the world I look for a direction, the world I look for some level of truth, some level of you. You see it? You go around and you go on to your head, you go to, you like, it could be a trick, man. And you get away, and even you could have never even expect to get away with it this long either. You see it? If it is a trick, which is what I feel. You see it? Because by now, Rasta, you should have something else to say something, you know? Something where you learn. Show some farmer in something where you're interested in along the way. You see it? In terms of righteousness, that's what we are talking about. You see it? We don't understand what I go on with you, Koffee. And you see it? That's the truth. We don't understand. When you just come out and you do your thing now, you don't know any little thing could have been possible. But you have enough time, you know, to declare yourself. Given the facts of so much controversy and so much questions asked. Get a chance to maggle and make them put you in a brief and all that thing there. You maggle in it and you get where you forget and nothing from that. people see her pose with a girl, we never see with a boyfriend yet. I say nothing wrong with that, we don't inquire with that or whatever, but we know say you can't under the banner and make money off of the whole culture, the whole faith, the whole aura, the whole energy of Rastafari. And then now, he is not even close to having any form of, you know, I say connection towards the politics of Rastafari. I can't nobody feel like say Rastafari is a revolution, you know. You see it? But I feel like like someone can just come jump on the bandwagon for the money. You know, do a disservice to Pan-Africanism, to black upliftment. You know, see it? Because you know, discredit the only political structure will come with a level of strong faith and spiritualism. You know, see it? For black people. Them thing they wanna mess with us, wanna box food out of hungry baby mouth coffee. You see it? When you come here, so if I come here so for pose and go on like so, well then, when I have nyama food off a war go on with an ear and all them thing. They a joke thing that. You see it? A scavenger business, a leeches business that. You see it? Right now, I hold if a community out the far more successful and easier to get by than Rasta. You see it? Could I go join it and do all of them things there and all. Or even the LGBT community. If you did come out and say, yo, I'm LGBTQ reggae singer, you boss I'm bigger than this long time. You see it? So, I can't understand if I that or a this or a what. Me no know. You see it? I know enough Rasta out there to know what kind of support for give or neither. If he's just another singer girl who can sing with a little thing a go on for the moment, or he's just a true cultural rebel, a black Pan-Africanist, black nationalist, black educator who prepare for, you know, go the mile. We don't know who he is. Me don't know who he is, Koffee. Me don't know about nobody else. You know, see it? A long time me hungry in this. And me willing to go and stay hungry for the rest of the time. Me not beg no nothing. You see? Who you, Koffee? Who you? Yeah. That we want to know. More bless. Share, like, and subscribe. You see it? I make you hear what. I make you have a discussion. Yes, Rasta. More bless.